Welcome back to How To Knots. Today we will be doing the Midshipman's Hitch knot. This is number 62 in our Abok knot series. I like this knot a lot because it's adjustable, as you can see, and it's very sturdy. You can tie it around almost any object, and yeah, it's very good for hiking. I know a lot of hikers that use it and they seem to love it. Don't get this mixed up with the tote line hitch, as this is crossed over here, just like this, where the tote line hitch is kind of around like this. They're pretty similar, but they do different things. Okay, let's get right into the knot and tie it up. First things first, you're going to take the lead end of your rope, pull it over your object, pull it under, and the big thing here is you're going to go over and then through the upper side of the rope, just right here, you're going to take the lead end of your rope, pull through, around, and you're going to do that again, pull through and around. And the next step is you're going to take this rope, pull it under the tail end of your rope, and you're going to feed it right through that little loop that you've just made. Perfect. And all you got to do is tighten that up as much as you can. Pull both ends. Perfect. There you have it, the Midshipman's hitch. If you'd want, we have the Ashley's Book of Knots in our link in our description, and any clicks on that really help out the channel, give us a little bit of extra cash to help increase the studio. And yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much. See you guys.